What if ancient Indian music was never just entertainment? What if Ragas, mantras, and Shiva's Damru were designed to awaken vibration inside the human body? From Nada Brahman to the Vishuddha Chakra, this is the forgotten science of sound, silence, and consciousness. Before language, before thought, there was vibration. The sages of India called it Nada Brahman, the universe of sound. Not ordinary sound, cosmic vibration. In yogic science, this vibration is linked with the Vishuddha Chakra, the throat center, the space of expression, truth, resonance, ether. Its bija mantra is hum, a vibration believed to purify the mind and awaken inner stillness. Ancient traditions connected this chakra with Lord Shiva, the silent yogi of Kailash. Shiva does not merely destroy, Shiva dissolves noise. And from that silence comes the original sound. The Damru of Shiva symbolizes the pulse of creation itself, expansion and contraction, sound and silence, birth and dissolution. Indian classical music preserves fragments of this ancient understanding. Ragas like Todi and Bageshri carry deep emotional resonance, not just melody, but states of consciousness. Todi bends the mind inward, Bageshri softens emotion into devotion. The continuous Tanpura drone in Indian music represents more than harmony. It symbolizes the eternal vibration beneath reality, the unchanging cosmic hum. Even Vedic chanting follows precise vibrational patterns. Breath, tone, resonance, pause. Because silence was never considered empty. Silence was the source. Modern science now studies how chanting and drone frequency influence brain waves, nervous system regulation, breathing rhythms, and emotional states. Ancient and unexplored this through direct inner experience thousands of years ago. Sound was meditation. Music was yoga. Vibration was consciousness. Nada Brahman means reality itself is vibration.